We first need to check, well, we are going to solve this problem with recursion as usual for trees. We first need to check whether tree's label is equal to the total. In such case, we are going to set found 1. All right. Otherwise, found is going to be 0. So that if you have a look at the base case, so we're given 3, and we start from here. And if it is already 3, then we found one path that sums up to 3. So we're going to say found is 1. And we move on. So we're going to add found to the values. We're going to find path that sums up to this number. However, the label already contributed to the total. So when we have a look at the children, we need to decrease the value of total. So we're going to have a look at branches, but when we are doing so, we need to reduce the value of total like this. And what we are going to do is do this for all branches as follows. So when we came up here, if the value is 6, it is not 6. So the found will be 0. And when we have a look at children, each child, we're going to we are going to check whether these values will be summed up to 3, because we are going to reduce the total by 3, which is the value of this label. So this is how you implement this function. So regarding this question, do you have any questions? Regarding this problem, do you have any questions? All right, so up to this point, we had a look at general trees. And from now on, we're going to have a look at binary trees and tree traversals. As I told you in the beginning of this class, reducing general trees to binary trees is very simple. Here we are going to define binary tree. I'll just copy the definition of general tree. Here, rather than having branches, we're going to have left child and right child like this. Okay. And we don't have to check this part. And we're going to set our left child as left, our right child as right. Okay. This is very simple. So this is all we need to define binary trees. This is very simple. And one of the most important thing about binary trees is tree traversal. And here you're going to define 3 functions: print pre-order and print in order, and print post order. Implementing these 3 functions are very similar. Take some time and try to implement all of these 3 functions. And if you just understand one part, then implementing the other is going to be very simple.